Oh, we are back again for another episode. Not sure if it's going to make it on Tuesday or Wednesday. Running very behind on these guys, just being so busy and struggling to get out sometimes. But nevertheless, we have 11-inch coil on today, 11-inch Coiltek Elite. Very, very cool. All these flies are very annoying. Scoop, and we've got stumpy number 3, and we're back at the same spot. Now, I'm not sure, I haven't been able to catch up on YouTube or many things, but over there's where we got the gold in the last one. Now, I did run smaller machines on that and got some gold out of that. Now, I'm sure a lot of people would probably say, are you going to take that material and process it because we found so many small pieces? Absolutely, we will do that. Take some and pan it off, wash it off and see if there's any really fine stuff. All these flies. Got something else for the episode as well. A few people mentioned this in oh, go away. A few people mentioned this in the comments, a few of you awesome subscribers. Okay, so we got some of this stuff just here mentioned, go away fly, mentioned by a few subscribers saying that this stuff's really good. Some people said that it's not, but hey, everyone's their own opinion, but more people said it was better than not. So I've tried some stuff, many things. Maybe the fly, oh, go away, maybe the fly net's going to be the one. So I'm getting attacked a little bit today. Oh, there goes one. So what I'll do is put this stuff to the test, see how we go. Okay, back again. I've just applied that. They say spray it on your skin, watch out if you're not allergic to all that sort of stuff, but anyway, some up around the ears, on the neck, so hopefully I'll see if these flies stay away. Hopefully they do. Anyway, let's not muck around anymore, we'll get this going. And yeah, so that's where I got the gold last time, just there in the last episode. And I'll just swing around, and this is where I'll go, up this way. Head up that way a little bit further and see what we can get in here. Let's go hunt out some of the good stuff. Alrighty, back again. Obviously you guys don't get to see it, but I've been going for about 15-20 minutes, no targets, and we've just come across the first one just here. I'll plug in the external speaker. Okay, here we go. Just down here, very responsive one. As you can see, that is very responsive. So it's not going to be too far down. Let's see what we've got. A little bit of overburden here, so let's just get that off. Well, I hope you've all been well over the hot holiday season and you've managed to get away and get some good holidays in. Here we go. Oh, still in. Oh, she's still in. Didn't come out in that overburden, so let's just see. Oh, she's a bit chunky. You can see this pole that just goes up here is being pulled out, but I don't know if it's going to be gold, but hopefully it is. Could be. Whoop, just a little bit off there, guys. Just on the side of the coil, just in here somewhere. There we go. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Oh, she's out. Scoop time. Come on, target, what are you? Oh, she's in. Oh, did I just bloody drop it? I think I did. Right there. Oh, I can see it. I can see it right there. Let's go and check it out. Here we go. Right there in the scoop. Just there, guys. And that is a 22 cal. 22 bullet shell. Very cool. Right there. Very cool. Let's keep going. That's not gold. Got plenty more ground that way to go, so let's see if we can get some. Okay guys, so we hit the bullet shell, hit another bullet shell just there, a couple of little bits of junky stuff just through there, just worked that fine. And we've come across a really nice sound here. I'll give you guys a listen. Whoop, sorry. We will go down on that. Oh, so you can hear, ooh, sorry about that. Yeah, oh, these flies, I'm just trying to think if this cream's working or not. Okay, so you can hear that target's definitely not on the surface. Sounds absolutely beautiful, just the sounds we like to hear. The flies, they're sort of coming, but they're not sticking around too long, so that's good. Alright, let's scrape it up and see what we got. Get rid of that. Whoop. Oh, watch out for that little plant there. Don't want to take that out. Let's go down and see. Oh, she's responsive. Very responsive, but it sounds nice and smooth. Nice smooth sound. But the buckshot, the little buckshots, not quite birdshot, but the little bit bigger ones, they'll sound a bit more responsive on this compared to the 14. Not as mellow, at depth anyway. Oh, she's out. Alright, you guys want to come in a bit? Because I know you love to see what's going on here. I'll see if I can get you that close. There we go. How's that? I think it's in the back. Alright, we are looking here. Somewhere here. Whoa! Very close. We're in, come on. Come on, Gold. Oh, she's out already, I don't know. Not sure about this. Somewhere in there. Oh, what's that I can see? What is that I can see? Oh, we are going to check it out. Here we go, the big reveal. There we go. How cool is that? That's gold, guys. Oh, that's a beautiful piece. That's a little ripper. Let me just give that a clean off. Oh, there's some pipe clay. Oh, go away, you little prick. Sorry about the French there. There we go. You can see little bits of pipe clay and possibly a little bit of quartz stuck in there. Almost like a crystalline piece of gold. You can see that. Just in there, I'll have to have a look at that under the loupe. That's just a beautiful piece. There we go, that's in focus. Wow, that's cool. Alright, get your thoughts ready. If I don't make a premiere on this one, chuck it in the comments. Pause it now and say what you think it's going to weigh. And then when if we find more gold, and just keep pausing it and writing your thoughts. Alright, here come those weights right now. Ready? Here they come. Wow, how cool is that? That's absolutely awesome. See you later. Very, very cool. Whoa, that's absolutely awesome. So we've got the gold down there. We know the flow line. Makes sense to just come this way. So very cool. Go the 11-inch, you little ripper. Well, we'll just keep going and see what we can get. Alright, here we go. So we're just down there. A little bit further down is the small stuff we got in the last episode. We got that one, those little bits of junk. Hit a few more targets through here. Thought one of them was going to be gold, but didn't turn out to be. And we have a nice target, nice response down here. Let's plug in the external. Oop, there we go. Alright, here we go. Get you guys down. Let's find it again. Somewhere here. Let's get rid of these sticks. Sticks there, somewhere just over here. Oh, there we go. Get rid of those sticks. And there we go. Listen to that signal response. As you can hear, guys, that's at low high, and we just love to hear those sounds. Now we can get low high from the top if it's rust. Now lots of people know that because I say it all the time because it annoys me because I love to get those deep targets. So Beautiful. Alright, get your thoughts in. Get your thoughts in. We're going down. We are going down. Stumpy 3. Go, go. Ooh. There we go. Beautiful clays too. Little bits of gravels in there. Let's see. And we're a little bit up as well. Up. Oh, if that's gold, that's going to be a ripper of a piece. Oh, come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Alright, let's see. Got to be getting close. Got to be getting close to that one, guys. Oh, she's out. Alright, she's out. I'll bring you around a little bit and we'll get closer to this for you. There we go, how's that? Is that alright? Alright, ready? Pinpoint with the left side. Alright, I think I got it because it's a little bit bigger. Should be somewhere here. Ooh, close. Somewhere here. Ooh, maybe deeper. Oh, here we go, here we go. We're on, we're on. See that there? Check her up. Oh, it's heavy then. Oh, just as I said it, bloody come out. Oh, oh, what is that? Wow. Get ready for this one. Whew. Here we go. Ready, ready, ready. Oh, there she is. Oh, I can't wait to clean it. That's going to be very, very cool. Very cool indeed. This is what makes us excited because we find so many subgrams. Alright, let's clean that. Go away, fly. Oh, there we go. Can you see that? That's gold, guys. You little ripper. Ho ho! That's a piece of gold. Doesn't matter what size they are, don't have to be super big to get us excited. That's a very cool long piece. Long and thin. That's absolutely awesome. I'm going to clean that down here, get that dirt off. Okay, here we go, guys. I've got the water. We'll just give it a bit of a clean because I want to see what it looks like. And I'm going to have a drink. Get rid of some of that dirt in there. Ooh, she's going to look so good. Now there we go, that's gold, guys. How cool is that? That's a beautiful looking piece of gold. Got the sparklies. There we go, can you see that? Very cool. Alright, get your thoughts in. Tell me what you reckon that's going to weigh. She got a little bit of weight for that. Very cool. Alright, here come those weights right now. Oh, how cool is that? I don't know what it weighs, but I'll find out when I get home. Alrighty guys, that's me done. I was detecting for another half an hour and got some more targets. We'll show you these, go through these in the scoop and then go over the ones in on the coil that we got, the gold. So there's some of the targets I got today. I'll talk about the ones at the top. Okay, so we've got the ones at the top there. I got them the other day when I was out detecting. It was a pile of 22 bullets and they were all within 22 bullets and they were all within a about a foot circle, so it was like a spill, I guess you could say, a bullet spill. Very cool. And they were all Super X on the bottom, so I thought I'd bring those out just to show you because I didn't film that day. There's the other stuff I got today, just the bullet shell that we got earlier, another bullet shell just there, and then just the general junk, some rust nuggets, other bits of rust, and nailed it again today. Very cool. There's the 2 pieces of gold I got today right there, and they're going to clean up so good. Look at that big one on top there, just beautiful. That's what keeps us coming out when we find the gold, and the excitement, just the excitement of detecting. Absolutely awesome. Well, that's me done again. Very cool. big thumbs up if you want. Totally up to you guys. Shoot through a comment, subscribe, absolutely up to you. It's your life, you can do what you want to. And, ooh, oh, stuck it in the bag. That fly stuff that I put on, I'm still getting flies buzzing around, but they don't seem to be hanging around as much. So, yeah, I'd say that's a win, that spray. Very, very cool. Awesome. I will see you guys all next Tuesday or Wednesday. Hopefully I can get the episodes out on time. It's just been very busy and, yeah, cool. See you all later. Have an awesome week. Be safe and well as always, and I'll talk to you all next week, Tuesday. See ya.